Goddess Isis has a powerful message for you today. Thank you for being here. Thank you for making sure no one is going to disturb you while you're listening, watching this video. I think it's time to acknowledge where you come from. I'm highly receiving that it's time to pause and to reflect of what you become. I think it's time to thank yourself for everything that happened that made you so strong until that exact moment. All the trials and tribulations, all the disturbance, the misunderstandings, the betrayals. I'm hearing flat experiences, deceptions. Every single wounds that happened in this lifetime made you so strong. And for a divine feminine, I'm hearing it's time to get soft for divine masculine, to embody his mission, his role, his polarity completely. You can trust, I'm hearing. It's time for you to be vulnerable because you do not have this mask to wear anymore. You've been strong your entire life. And whether you met this person or not, you can rely on that person. This person is going to take care of you. Oh, I'm feeling this emotion right now. You're going to be witnessing God miracle because you're going to be introduced into someone that is going to take care of you in ways that you cannot even imagine right now. It's divine just because you've done the work and you're now ready to share your heart, the one that has been hurt so much, bit. Others didn't respect this heart space, took you for granted. They didn't recognize the God goddess inside. They played with your sexual energy. They use your sexual energy for their own growth, for the sake of their own manifestations, utilizing what's yours without your consent and permission. You're going to have your justice time, I'm hearing, literally. It's about to knock on your door, I'm hearing. Because you've been patient with yourself, compassionate with yourself. You're cracking the codes for some of you. It's as if for some of you, you've been praying, you've been manifesting, you've been listening to subliminals or affirmation over and over again. And then now you're just surrendering to God, Goddess, all that is. You're just stopping everything. You're just surrendering. You're just posing. You're just resting because your body needs it. And boom, 4, 3, 2 on the timer. I cannot make this up. Love is finding you because your guard are off. And you see, it's everything about action and reception, divine alignment between polarities. That's when you know you healed, because you're balanced. Action is amazing. It means that your divine masculine from within is healed. But now you're mastering yourself because you're also learning how to receive. The universe, God, Goddess, all that is needs you to just sit in the passenger seat and receive what's yours. And you cannot receive if you're still in this action mode. You need to rest and observe. I'm hearing everything unfolding. So much fire in the air. So much fire in the air. I don't know if it's related to this fire horse, but everything is going to be different. This year, everything is going to be different. You see, someone maybe doesn't want to hear that because maybe you've been hearing that a lot and you're just bored. You're like, yeah, but I've been waiting every single year since. Where is my outcome? Where is my breakthrough? Where is my blessing? It is here as you declare, as you claim it. And that's what I want also to say regarding receiving, is that you want to watch the sky if you need to. You want to face the universe. Actually, I'm hearing that's how you face yourself, because that's as above, so below, as within, so without. That's the same. God is inside, God is outside, God is everything. And you want to claim loud that you're ready to receive, that now it's time. It's overdue. Now you're going to sit and you're not going to move until it's done. And you're going to take the risk to actually do it. I'm hearing. That's beautiful. You're going, oh my God. That's so powerful. You're going to be balanced at this exact time of surrendering. It's, you see, up above, receiving instantly. That's how I feel it. It's having the feeling to be heard. Because you know your worth, you know what you've been through, and you also know now it's the time to receive. Not in a week, in a month, in a year. Now, and you claim it, and you feel it, and you embody it. And that relationship you're going to create with the divine. I cannot even explain it. I'm seeing a lot of rainbows. As I said it earlier in videos, you gotta call upon this magnificent energy. Spiritual cleansing, cannot make this up. This is the most powerful shift you can bring to your system, embodying the rainbow energy, as every single flame is going to come and wash you. Literally bring you exactly what you need. You need to feel inhaling. I see the pink flame, the yellow flame, the blue flame, the green flame, the red. Ruby red fire again. You have to be grateful for who you are. Thank you. I would like to thank myself for being who I am, for doing what I'm doing and what I've done, what I've been through. You're so special. Isis loves you. You're a spirit. You're someone special. I feel you. May you be blessed upon the divine. If you want to dig deeper, check my website. I would love to help you. go to the next step. Until next time, namaste.